guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tayo. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking to watch me, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch another video. And today I have a video about how I do my natural makeup look, and I use quite a lot of Fenty beauty products, the ones I have. So I also use quite a lot of other things. I don't have enough Fenty beauty products to do the look using only Fenty. But yeah, if you want to see how I made this look, just keep on watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. So I'm going to start with this Wonder product. This is the Embryolase. It's a very good primer stroke moisturizer, and used by quite a lot of makeup artists. You always find this with celebrities. It's nice. It's really good for the skin. It makes the skin soft and supple and makes the makeup apply very well. So I tend to use this first. I'm using it as a moisturizer now because I'm still going to put on a primer, so just a little bit on my face over my moisturizer stroke primer, but I was still going with another primer. I've already done my brows, as you can tell. So, and then I'm going to go in with the Photo Finish Smashbox primer. So that's enough, because I've already used the other one. So I'll just put it on those areas of my face, my T-zone. So this is your T-zone. I'm sure you know that anyway. And then I'm going to go in with a color corrector, and the one I'm using today is this LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. And why do I use an orange corrector? I try to use it to even out my skin before I put in my foundation. Otherwise I'm going to end up with some areas dark and some areas gray. It's not going to be very uniform, and it's not going to look nice. So because I've got dark spots, as you can see, around my mouth and around my eyes. So you just go ahead and just put a little bit, places like that. And then I go in with a brush. I'm going in with this brush, and then I just dab it. Dab it. So these are not Fenty products, because I don't think Fenty has color corrector yet, so I'm not using only Fenty. So I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. That is the star of the show. So I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, and my shade is, I think it's 430. Yes. So I just put two pumps on my hand. That's two pumps. And what I like to do is to use the end of my brush just to apply it before I brush it in, so that way it goes in evenly. I only started doing this recently, but it works. So comment below if you, I know I have a few of my followers who have been wanting to buy Fenty for a while and haven't bought it yet. So if you are watching this video, comment below if you've bought it. I'm going in now with my brush, and this is my Clinique brush, but I forgot to wash it. I washed all my other brushes. It's a bit dirty. I used it recently, so yeah, I only used it on myself anyway. So what I like to do is to go in and just pat it in. After this, I'm going in with my Fenty Precision Makeup Sponge, just to even out everything and just dab any excess. I find this I love this sponge because it has so many surfaces. So this one you can use for powder, you can use this for foundation, and also the back as well, so, and the bottom. So we're going for the natural dewy look. So I'm going to go in with my MAC stroke cream as well. You can actually use this at the same time when you use your Embryolase, but I like to do it after I put my foundation on, before I put on my powder. So what it does, it just makes your face glow. So I'll just put a little bit on, and I'm just going to apply it apply it here on my nose and under my chin. And then I just need to be really careful when I go in with my, so I just dab gently, gently. If you can see that glow. So you can see what I'm doing is I'm just dabbing. I'm not rubbing it. So that makes a great difference. Just dab. So you can see that dewy highlighted look before I even apply highlighter. I know a lot of people say that there are too many steps, but this is a makeup look. This is a makeup look for someone who's going to have this look all day. So all the steps are necessary, and that's why I'm trying to explain them as I go along. So this kind of look I would do if I was doing a bride, because she's going to want her makeup to stay in place all day and to look glowy. She's going to want to look very, very nice, natural, without it running off all over the place and looking dead, or I don't know. So yeah, so that's what I'll do. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm going to conceal my eyes and also under my eyes, my eyelids and under my eyes, and then also my T-zone. This is a natural makeup look, but it doesn't mean it will be what I'll do every day. I'm going to use the Maybelline powder as a contour for my eyes, so that I can use the eyeshadows in the Fenty Galaxy palette that are mainly shimmer shades. So I just need a little bit of a matte. So since we're going for the simple look, I think I'll just go in with something moderately. So I'll go in with something that is really understated. I think I'll use this white one here. And use the brush again. Just blend. So that's a trick if you don't have a matte eyeshadow palette at your disposal. You can always use your powder. I'm not going to use lashes, I'm just going to use my Bad Girl, Benefit Bad Girl. I now love this a lot. It's really nice. My Benefit Bad Girl mascara. So I use my Morphe eyeliner just to do my eyes as well. So I'm also going to go ahead and contour using this powder as well. I've shown this in one of my favorites videos as well, so you can watch that if you haven't watched it yet.